here you have it. I was approved for a $32,500 line of credit. All right, guys, and in today's video, I'm going to be helping my business owners once again with one of the best business accounts you should definitely have. They cater to small businesses so they can actually thrive and not have any headache in the process. This is a serious game changer. And with that being said, let's dive in. All right, and today I'm bringing you NOVO Business Bank. They have so many great benefits that I had to go get an account and make sure that it wasn't just hype. They are trusted with over 200,000 small businesses. And on top of it all, the account is free. And if you know, you know. So when it comes to business bank accounts, whether you have it at a big institution like Wells Fargo or anything of that nature, or even credit union, they have so many guidelines and rules that you must follow that sometimes it can be sometimes a headache. But with NOVO Business Bank account, you can actually have a free checking account with no monthly fees or minimum balances. I can't tell you how important that is. Now, for example, I have a Chase business account as well, and they have so many guidelines and rules that I have to follow to make sure that I'm ducking and dodging every single fee that they try to throw out there, especially with me starting out in the beginning. It was so hard for me to scrape up X amount of dollars to make sure I don't hit those fees or anything of that nature. But with NOVO, if you're just starting out, it doesn't matter if you have $20, $30, $100, $200. It doesn't matter what you have in your bank account. They are not going to charge you because they understand how small businesses, everything has to start small. So with that being said, they're trying to help, and no minimum balances and no monthly fees. I'm telling you, that's ultra rare. And not only do they have no monthly fees, they also have no hidden fees, free ACH transfers. They also can give you mail checks and income wires with no hassle, and refunds from all ATM machines. And they also have thousands of more dollars in exclusive perks. Come on, guys, this is a crazy gem right here. I'm telling you, no hidden fees, and you get refunds on ATM fees. That's crazy. So with that being said, even if you don't stay close to a NOVO institution and you have to go, let's say you have to go to a Wells Fargo ATM machine just to take out some money that you have to go do whatever you have to do. They're gonna reimburse you the fee that Wells Fargo charges you, and they're gonna put it back in your account, whether it's $5, $10, no matter what it is. NOVO is here to help you. With some banks, they do not allow ATM refunds. They don't care where you are. Now, I know some banks do not offer that at all. I know for a fact Navy Federal does not offer that on the business side, from what I know. Even some places like Chase, let's just say you're in the Midwest or something, and Chase is not offered, or even in Nashville, Tennessee, or things of that nature, and you have a business bank account and you have to use another ATM, they are not reimbursing you that, people. So I'm telling you, this is a game changer. And then on top of that, other banks can charge up to $20 in monthly fees and charge $3 per transfer, or even charge you to use their products. But with NOVO, they're giving you everything for free. They're literally rolling you out the red carpet, telling you, we want you to start your business, and whatever you got to do in the process, we are going to do whatever we can to make sure that you are straight. I'm telling you guys, this is crazy. When I first got my other business bank accounts, like I said, I had to make sure that I was following every single guideline, and I knew every penny. I even sometimes had the rules plastered on my wall to make sure that I was not missing anything. But with NOVO, I'm telling you, they're here to actually help you. So if you're just starting the LLC, let's say it's brand spanking new, 6 months in, a year in, you're still trying to figure things out, then NOVO is a perfect business bank account that you need to actually have in your repertoire. Even if you already started, even if you're already making money. And I'm gonna go over in a second how making money is actually gonna help you if you have a NOVO bank account as well. So again, click the link in my bio and you can actually get set up with NOVO. Now, let's get into the line of credit, the product I know you've been wondering since the beginning. Now, NOVO has a line of credit that goes up to $75,000. And if you wanted to actually apply for this, people, it's a soft pull. You know how much we love soft pulls here on this channel. I can't stress it enough. And it's actually to your Experian account. So the least FICO score that you need to have is a 600. Mostly with any other institutions is at least 650, 680, 700, or even more. But Novo, they're stating that the minimum that you at least need to have is a 600. And the reason why that it's so low is because at the end of the day, you're creating a relationship with Novo. If you watched any of my Navy Federal videos or anything like that, I always talk about relationship banking. And if you already have a relationship with Novo, then I'm telling you, the credit score is going to be second. I promise you. So with that being said, remember I stated earlier that if you have income coming in, this is going to be perfect for you. Let's go ahead and talk about it. So with that being said, if you have money coming in, let's just say that you have ideally $5,000 to $10,000 in income revenue going in and out of your business bank account, then actually Novo is going to take that into account and try to get you approved for whatever they can get you approved for. I would say shooting in the dark, they want to see at least $5,000 to $10,000 of gross income coming in and out of your bank account. But even if you have a little less, they can still work with you because again, it's relationship banking. So let's say you have a 650 or something like that, but you have $2,000 to $3,000 going in and out of your bank account. Novo can work with that. You see what I'm saying? So you might not get actually approved for the 75,000 or 32,000, but you might get approved for 8,000. You might get approved for 9,000. Hey, even 6,000. Do you know what you can do with $6,000? You can get started. That's what you can do. See what I'm saying? You don't have to go here, here, and here, trying to scrape up, trying to get net 30 accounts and net 60 accounts, trying to really just get money out here. With that being said, you can just create a relationship with Novo, and they will actually get you set up with a line of credit. And don't forget, a line of credit is different from an actual loan, because with that being said, once you use it, it just doesn't go away. You can use whatever you can use. Let's say you have $10,000. If you need $5,000 of it, you pay it back. You can still take it out again. So I'm telling you guys, this is a must-have. So don't even just take it from me explaining Novo. Always have an actual relationship with these institutions so you can always get the most out of them, because their thing is, if you treat them right, they will treat you right. And then on top of that, I have more than one business bank account. And let's say you do too. And let's say more money and income goes in and out of there. And I know you're thinking like, dang man, I got more money coming in and out of there, and I got to open up this one, and I have to actually create a relationship with them, all of that type of stuff. No. Novo is going to allow you to connect that business bank account with them. So when you try to apply for the line of credit, they'll take that account into consideration as well. So let's say you got $3,000 going in here, $2,000 going in Novo, another 1,000, 5,000, things like that. You are going to give the max amount that they can give. And as far as the actual drawn out process, there is no drawn out process. They can actually approve you within 24 hours, and you can start withdrawing the funds that day. So with this line of credit, it shows that this can actually help you fund whatever business idea that you actually want. Remember, the only thing that's holding you back is you. And if you have a relationship with them, i.e. Novo, they will surely look out for you, so you can get the maximum funding just like I did. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Now go get that 75K so you can go out there and fund your dreams, all right? Because I'm definitely about to. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen.